Train is coming. So this is, oh my god, too much noise. Well, the trains keep passing. Oh god. Well, the trains have passed. So this is the new Casio Square. Looks like a Patek Phillipe, and Casio has just knocked it out of the park. Here is the watch I've received directly from Casio India, Bhavar Group. So, courier via Blue Dart, very well packed. Now, let's open it. This is the newest model released in India of Casio. Yeah, this one is exciting. Very properly packed, bubble wrapped inside. We have the bill. This is a good sign that the packaging and everything is on point. Perfect box. Not a damaged box or anything. Okay, for unboxing, see. Let me take it to that room. Switch on the lights. That's the fan. Okay, on the bed. Let's see. Very well packed. It has papers and stuff. This is the newest model from Casio. Wow. Feels good. Feels good. Nice. It feels good. The bracelet feels good. Yes, the bracelet feels good. Let's see the dial first. Here you can see plastic wrapped throughout. It's a brand new piece just released. Wow, beautiful textured dial. Oh bhai, this one is so nice. Look at the shape, it's beautiful. Model, this is going to be a very popular model soon. Just released in India. Only available in Casio India shop. Casio MTP-B195D. So here are some daylight shots of how it's looking outside. It's beautiful. And the sun falls on it. The dial, the brushed dial, looks so good. This is how the light is reflecting. Looks beautiful. Brushed effect always looks better than a plain dial. The stainless steel case shining beautifully and giving a spectacular look. Casio has just released this banger. Awesome. Has that stainless steel bracelet. The quality is a bit better than the other folded ones. Stainless steel case with date complication, and this is how it's looking on my 7-inch wrist, and this is how it's looking when the light hits it. It's beautiful shade of olive green. You can see beautiful fonts used in 12 and 6 o'clock mark. The hands are also very nice, uniquely placed. And now this is a really cool model, just released in India. It comes with a leather strap also, and the leather strap version is 500 rupees less than this. This is 7k MRP. I got it from Casio India store, Casio India Bhavar store, and wow, I'm just so impressed with this one. This looks so good in hand. Looks even better in person than what the camera is able to capture.